Mantra is a tool for transformative living. Make mantra your lifeline, it will add substance to your life. However, once initiated, there is no turning back. We must see it to the end. Once discovered, life becomes simpler. Over time, it gathers momentum, sustaining us in life. Infuse it with the greatest consciousness and your life will become rich beyond measure. It will go through peaks and troughs and the intensity will vary. Stay with it always, and the mantra will expand your being. Our consciousness needs continuous tending, and when the mantra comes to the front, it holds the consciousness together. Make it your exercise in living. The word rises from the very depths of our being. Let it choose you. It starts with aspiration. You sincerely ask the divine for a key. It is yours alone. It may be sudden or gradual, but it will surely settle in your being. It is not a mental selection. It rises from the heart. Deep within, resonance is there. Sometimes, it is given by the Guru, but one can spontaneously access the inner guide by going within. This vibration will define you until you die. With persistence, it shapes every movement inside. It is your aspiration and the force behind the words that give the mantra its power. It embodies and steers you to your destiny. The mantra clears the mind. Often filled with repetitive thoughts, the mind endlessly revolves in circles. The word provides a counterweight, leaving the space uncluttered, vast and free. Witness to the word gradually making your inner and surface parts become one. Allow it to align your being. With sustained practice, the mantra starts to internally repeat itself. When that happens, it purifies, instilling and then reinforcing the reign of soul over nature. You will carry this unique vibration always. Allow it to preside over every activity of the day. It will protect you from mishaps and accidents. Let it accompany your work. It helps one focus on what is at hand. Keep repeating it through the day's actions until you sleep at night. When the words are continuously present, the mantra acts as a reflex, consciously addressing whatever situation is at hand. It becomes a panacea. The mantra can also be a single syllable. It is a repetition of the sacred name, Japa. Whatever form it takes, as we evolve, we become conscious of its unique vibration, constantly in the background yet nourishing our being. Japa is the ballast that holds our being together. Whenever things go awry, one goes back to it and normalcy returns. When synchronized with the breath, it paves the way for continuous practice. It brings endless aspirations into action. Japa resonates strongly with the body. The mother used it exhaustively in her yoga of the cells because only a japa has a direct action on the body. Repetition of the divine name untees the habits of the physical consciousness. The body is the crucible of transformation, and japa can accompany it to the threshold of this divine change. Once we discover our mantra, life changes for the better. An indelible link is created and an imprint is laid upon our souls. Thank you for listening to us. Please share to our content and subscribe for more meaningful videos.